In this video, let's see how we can create a flow for this small cottage that we created. So I'm going to go into the flow plan, and it's going to ask me to save the project, so that's done. And I'm going to go into my architecture tab, and there is a button called flow, so we can use that in order to create our flow. So let's see what other things that are available when you drop it down. We have the flow architectural, which is the one that we are going to use, structural and flow by phase. We're going to use the flow architectural, so just click on the button that's on the top, and as we've seen previously, the context panel changes into and changes to a different mode, and it provides us with some additional tools that we can use. Now what we want to do is we want to have a plinth around this small cottage. Now when you click on it, also you can see all of the other elements have gone gray, and what we're going to do is we're going to create this this flow, and it has a plinth about with a extension from the wall, let's say about 1 foot. Let's create that flow. I can easily use the rectangle tool, because since this is a rectangle, it would be the easiest way to do it. The other options are to pick walls. So I have this wall, I can pick the walls, or pick lines. I could also pick this line on the outside as well. The easiest way to do this would be to use the pick walls option. So the offset, I'm going to have a 1 foot offset, and basically that's it. So those are things that I change. I select the pick walls option, and the offset is going to be 1 foot, and when I hover over my wall, you see this dotted outline, which it's indicating the final layout of the flow. Now the other things that I'm going to just check on is this properties dialog box before I start drawing. I have a 12-inch generic flow that I can use. The others are wood joists and such. A 3-inch metal deck that I can use. I'm just going to go with the generic 12-inch flow, and the rest is basically I'm going to leave it at default. So level 1 is where the flow is going to be, and now I can just start drawing. So I'm going to click here, that line is created. I'm going to click here, automatically those two get connected, and I'm going to click here and click here, so that it's completed. The drawing is completed. Once it's completed, you need to make sure that you click on this green checkbox. If you do something else, like if you try to press escape, that will not work. You won't be able to move out from this tool until you click on the green checkbox. This is called the sketch mode. So you're basically creating a sketch, and once you're finished with the sketch, you need to click on this green check button, and your flow is going to be created. Now that's how easy it is to create a flow. Now in order for us to see it, you click on the small house icon, and you have your flow, and everything looks nice. The next video, I'm going to look at how to create or how to add additional fixtures in the bathroom. We have a WC, we have a sink, and we have a tub that we need to bring into the bathroom. So let's see how we can do that in the next video.